A new toilet handle can change the look of a bathroom immediately by providing a small but visible design touch that ties fixtures together. Choose a finish that matches your existing hardware and lighting to create cohesion. For example, brushed nickel for softer tones or polished chrome for brighter reflections. Measure the handle orientation and shaft size before you buy to ensure compatibility with your tank lever or flush mechanism. And keep a screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and needle nose pliers on hand for a straightforward swap. If the handle will be used, often choose solid metal construction over plated plastics for durability and tactile quality. For a modern minimalist look, select a slim lever or paddle style, and for a traditional room, pick a rounded or Victorian-inspired knob. When replacing the handle, keep the tank lid nearby and turn off the water only if you need to remove internal parts. Most exterior handle swaps do not require shutting off the supply or draining the tank. Test the flush after installation and adjust the chain length or clip so the flapper seals fully and the handle has light travel without holding the flapper open. Common mistakes include choosing the wrong finish so the handle clashes with faucets and drawer pulls. Avoid this by laying your handle next to a faucet or outlet cover before purchase to check harmony. Another error is installing the handle with an incorrect chain length, which causes weak flushes or a continuing running toilet. Fix this by adjusting the chain to allow a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of slack when the flapper is closed. A third problem is forcing incompatible parts together, leading to stripped threads or damaged levers. If parts do not fit smoothly, stop and verify shaft diameter and thread direction, and consider a universal adapter or replacing the tank lever assembly. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and allow contractors to find work by listing projects and connecting people. We also host an active discussion community where members share tips, product photos, and installation advice so we can learn from each other.